For the experiment, we will need a bowl of water, a medium-sized potato and sugar solution. First, the potato is peeled off. The bottom surface of the potato is flattened. In the upper side, a hole is made extending nearly to the bottom. Now we will pour the sugar solution in the potato up to the top of the potato. We have used a small pin to mark the height of water column in the potato. Now we will carefully put the potato in the bowl of water. We will keep the experiment for 5 to 6 hours and then observe the changes. It is seen that the height of the water column rises a little bit. During the experiment, the water level was below the pin, but now it is above the pin. This shows that the water level in the potato has risen. When the potato filled with sugar solution was kept in the bowl of pure water, a hypotonic solution was created due to which water entered into the potato tuber, and as a result the height of water column in the potato increased.